Teleradiology is all about speed and efficiency, and a teleradiology group is only as good as its technology. That's where Cortex PACS comes into play. Come and meet the PACS that's driving aligned radiology. We partnered with Insight One and integrated their best-in-class image viewer into a brand new PACS, designed for teleradiology and built with efficiency and accuracy as top priorities. We then integrated Fluency Direct as our speech engine and built an all-new dictation editor around it, complete with templates, macros, tabbable fields, and voice or keyboard selectable pick lists. Our work list is simple and elegant, giving you all the information you need without all the clutter that you don't. Our workflow is driven behind the scenes by our work list manager, so all you have to focus on is reading cases, not worrying about what studies to read. Our work lists are built so that you only see studies that you are licensed and credentialed to read. On top of that, each radiologist's work list is individually curated for studies that match their subspecialty training and preference, while eliminating specific exams or modalities that are outside of that radiologist's skill set. The end result of this is maximum efficiency with the least burnout. Let's take a look at the interface. Perhaps the first thing you notice is the minimalist design. You have one work list containing studies curated for you, and another work list of your completed exams. The rest is handled in the back end. There are no tabs for different sites or modalities, just one prioritized list of studies for you to read. Each radiologist has their own separate work list, and, while curated to your skill set, studies are distributed randomly to each radiologist, eliminating cherry picking. Launch the Cortex PACS application and you are presented with a single sign-on for the whole system. Log in with your credentials and you are taken to your specific work list. Just choose a case from the work list and the image viewer immediately launches in your other monitors and displays your study. When a study is selected from the work list, you see the patient demographic data and any available clinical information displayed in the Cortex PACS dictation editor. The clinical information is fetched from the hospital's Epic electronic health record database and displayed in the sidebar on the left. This includes reason for exam, clinical notes, past medical and surgical history, and labs. In the dictation editor, you are presented with a list of templates which are related to that study, and your preferred template is preloaded. The speech engine is Fluency Direct, but the interface is custom, with the familiarity of tabbable fields and pick lists, but with quality of life improvements such as fields which auto-select when clicked, yet still allow you to select individual words to replace if desired. Pick lists are shown in their entirety, and the text to replace is easily visible and can be selected by clicking in this pop-over menu or by speaking choose and then the number. Linking accessions is easy through a button at the top which turns blue and pulses when there are eligible accessions to be linked, with a badge telling you how many accessions can be linked. Macros and templates can be easily accessed and edited with ease. Both can be easily imported directly from your PowerScribe XML file, retaining all fields and pick lists. When dictating, you now have the freedom to use the traditional power mic or speech mic, along with more comfortable options such as a lapel mic or even AirPods. Functions such as start-stop dictation, previous/next field, and sign report can be assigned to mouse or keyboard shortcuts. All of this makes dictation as comfortable and efficient as possible so you can focus on reading studies. The Insight One viewer is also fast and efficient. With a myriad of customization options, you can assign any action to any mouse button you choose. I like to drag to scroll with the left mouse button and window with the right mouse button, and I can set that up with ease. I also use a mouse with 6 buttons by the thumb, which I have assigned to the numbers 1 through 6 for different window level presets. I can start and stop dictation with another button near my index finger, so I can dictate hands-free with my AirPods. Scrolling in the viewer is smooth and studies load fast, so I can start reading a case instantly. I can double-click to make my selected series full screen, and double-click again to bring back my original layout. I can hold Shift and take a quick measurement, and hold Control to take an ROI. When I see a finding I want to mark, I can hold Option to place an arrow. Best of all these actions can easily be customized to your preferences. We think you will agree. Cortex PACS is built for teleradiology, the smarter, faster way to read.